Hi, my name is Yuri Martinchenko. I'm from Group 2 with my team member Ali. Today we're going to be showing you our Futurama Analyzer application. We have scraped all the transcript from Futurama and we're displaying all this information. Here we have the series overview showing the different characters and number of words that they spoke across all seasons. As you can see, Fry is number 1, followed by Bender, Leela, Farnsworth, and Zoidberg. We can click on the bar to see it in more detail, Fry, the image, and how many words they spoke. We can also toggle the images button to see all the images for each character at the bottom. We of course can view at any different bar to see the details. We can also go to the next view and see the following characters afterwards. As they get less number of words for all the season, it gets harder to see, so we can of course zoom in and see it in more detail in respect to each other. And we of course can zoom out. If we wanted to view more bars for view as to see a more overall look, we can of course increase that or decrease it back. We can continue looking on to other characters or go back and view them. Here we can also view information for each season. Clicking on season brings up the amount of episodes each character was in for that season, such as Bender, Fry, Farnsworth, and Leela were all in every episode of that season, as it had 12 episodes as shown here. We can of course click on them and show the information, or we can have over here a switch to view the dialogue for all characters, and they'll show you all the characters and the number of words they had in the whole season. We of course can use the images to view, increase the bars, and decrease, and zooming works also. We can continue looking at other characters and so on. Also, we can look at a detailed view of an episode. For an episode, here we shows all the different characters that are in that episode, sorted alphabetically. If some images are missing, we have a default image, otherwise it shows the character's image. And then also for an episode, we can display the amount of dialogue the character had for just that episode. So for episode 1, Farnsworth had the most amount of words, and it shows the information for all the other characters too. And of course this is a very similar interface, and works the same way as any other graph we've shown so far. We can also though select a character from a list of characters ordered by their frequency of overall seasons, and it will show you all the common sentences, such as if we picked Fry, it will show you all the common sentences that Fry picked or said. It also can show us the common words of all the words that Fry said in all the seasons. This takes slightly longer to load as there's a lot of words which needs to be generated into this very nice word cloud. As you can see, Bender and Leela are some of the top words that Fry says. Moving on, we could see the amount of dialogue Fry has throughout the seasons. We can of course zoom in and increase or decrease the amount of bars, and we can see overall how much each season compares to how much Fry had said. And of course we can view the images for Fry, but this is just one character. And we can also view the episodes that Fry appears in. Fry appears in all the episodes, which we'll show here. You can view all of them if needed be, and it shows you the total amount of episodes that Fry was in. We can also compare characters, such as if we want to compare Fry, Bender, and Leela. We click on compare, which will show us the compare view. It shows us how many words Fry had in the first season, how many words Bender had in the first season, and how many words Leela had in the first season. Going next, it will show us continuation on the next two in episode 2 and continue on. We can also of course zoom in, zoom out, and show the images. We can also view the commonly appearing characters, such as Fry and Leela appear the most with each other, then Fry and Bender, followed by Bender and Leela, Farnsworth and Fry, and Farnsworth and Leela. We can of course continue on looking through the list and showing all the other relationships between characters. As you can see, this application shows in much detail everything about the Futurama episodes, detailed by seasons, episodes, and by character, with many overviews and analysis. Thank you very much. Goodbye.